Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock at home. Making your own stock is a rewarding process that elevates your cooking. To begin, you'll need a good foundation of chicken bones, around 4 to 8 pounds, along with fresh aromatic vegetables such as 2 large onions, 4 carrots, and 4 celery ribs. Don't forget a few sprigs of parsley, bay leaves, and about 8 crushed garlic cloves for that essential flavor. Once your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with cold water, ensuring everything is submerged by about 3 inches. Slowly bring this to a boil over medium heat. As it heats, you'll see foam rise. Skim this off to keep your stock clear. Then, reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. Let it cook for at least 3 to 4 hours or even up to 8 hours to extract maximum flavor. Throughout the simmering process, it's important to periodically skim off any impurities or excess fat that floats to the top. This helps achieve a clearer, cleaner stock. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully remove all the solids. Then, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve. For an even more pristine result, you can line the sieve with a piece of cheesecloth or a clean, damp kitchen towel. Proper cooling is crucial for food safety. After straining, cool your stock quickly, ideally to below 70 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours. An ice bath in your sink or transferring the stock to shallow containers can help. Once completely cool, store it in airtight containers. It will last for about 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator or up to 6 months in the freezer, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.